My name's Ben Faggoter. I've been working on Porsches since 1986, where I did my apprenticeship at Porsche. Started my own business, which was then Weltmeister, that I started with a friend back in '93. Both of us were mechanics and saw a sort of a gap in the market, and that was really around club racing and enthusiasts that at the time the dealerships were ignoring. So that's how we got started. So we started with two of us, and then it quickly came to 3, 4, 5, and then we expanded. We service very early cars, right back till 68 or even slightly earlier. So from 911s onwards is probably our specialty, stuff we've got experience in, right up till current stuff, from restorations to rebuilds to servicing, factory servicing, wheel alignments, almost everything.